Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kukwa and this is Kukuasinspiration. So in this video I'm sharing with you how I made my natural hair conditioner. This is the conditioner I've been using. Sorry, I thought I was videoing, my camera wasn't on. So in this bowl I have oats, 2 tablespoonfuls of oats, then 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and water as well. I'll stir this all together and set it aside for the next 30 minutes. Then I'll take you through the rest of the ingredients. Over here I have 3 aloe vera plants. Pardon me, this is all I could get from my aloe vera plant. I'll cut this into pieces, soak it also for 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes after I soaked the oats and the flax seeds in water. So now I'll add all this to a pan, put it to a boil to cook for like 10 minutes. Allow it to cool before I'll use it for the conditioner. So on this side I have 2 small fingers of banana. I have my herbal oil too here as well. Next is this oil. I bought it from a store. I think this is from India. I bought it from a store. Then I have, this is cherry oil. As you can see, it's almost done, but we will still get something from this. Then I have this powder. This is a mixture of about 12 Ayurvedic powders. Don't mind the label. I just transferred the product into this bottle. Next I have moringa powder, neem tree powder, black castor oil, then my aloe vera plant that I soaked in water. The oats and the flax seeds are well cooked, cool down. So now I'll add this to my stick blender, blend it to very smooth consistency. Then I'll introduce the other ingredient too. This is the conditioner I've been using for my 4C natural hair all this time. This is very good and perfect for 4C natural hair. If you don't have any conditioner that you use, please try this for your hair. You will see your hair will come out very soft. Very soft, I mean, very soft for you to work with. Don't joke with this product. It is very effective. Very effective. Forget all the other conditioners that you've been using. Try this, my dear, and you will never regret this. See how slippery this is coming out. Just the same way it will be on your hair. It is very slippery and it will help you detangle your hair very fast. Very fast. It will do all the job for you, my dear. Just try this, like I'm saying. Try this for me and come and give your testimony. Anyway, like I always say, stay dedicated because it's not going to happen just overnight. See you all in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Please share, like and comment to promote my video. I'll see you all. Bye bye. Just come with me. Let me apply this on my hair. I'll see you in my next video showing you how I'll apply this to my hair.